Hi guys, good morning. Nandito po ako sa may Serendra here in 11th Avenue, Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. So, Serendra is a development of Ayala. And nandito po ako kasi may chinik akong unit na for rent na uupahan ng client ko. So, I need to verify the owners doon sa admin, pati yung SPA, at i-check ko na rin yung yung itsura ng unit. So, okay naman lahat. So, in-update ko na yung client. So, nasa Sequoia Tower ako dito sa Serendra. Ito yung building, which is the newest tower here. And then, ipakita ko sa iyo yung, yung quick view lang dito. So, there's the swimming pool. Very nice lap pool. Napakaganda. Napakaganda ng lap pool nila. Yan, no? And then, there are towers there.